Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, iPod adapter, MP3, power panorama sunroof. Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Golf. It's the original fun-to-drive hatchback. Drive one today and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, backup camera, alloy wheels, power steering, cruise control, child safety locks, power brakes, fog lights, trip odometer. Come see the car for yourself.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.